Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef broth. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on good quality beef bones and fresh vegetables. Next, you'll want to roast those bones to develop a rich, deep flavor. Then, we'll combine everything in a large pot for a long, slow simmer. Finally, we'll strain and properly store your homemade broth, ready for many culinary uses. To begin, select about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones. A mix of marrow and knuckle bones works wonderfully for flavor and gelatin. Roughly chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. These vegetables will add sweetness and depth. Don't forget a few bay leaves, a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to aid in mineral extraction. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the beef bones on a baking sheet and roast them for about 30 minutes until nicely browned. This step is crucial for a rich, deep color and flavor. Transfer the roasted bones and chopped vegetables to a large stock pot. Cover everything with 12 to 16 cups of cold water, then bring it to a gentle simmer, cooking for 8 to 24 hours. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully remove the larger solids with tongs or a slotted spoon. Next, strain the entire liquid through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, to ensure a clear broth. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.